Eureka. What you want? Wait for me? You see. Okay. Call me.
Huh?
You wait for me?
I'll go KFC and come back.
Okay.
Alright?
Okay.
So by the time you finish.
I'll call you. When we finish, I'll call you, okay?
Yeah. So I go and get some KFC for in the evening, though. Yeah. I don't know what I go on, man. Big up on yourself. Nice, all thing. Yes, my people, so we flagged up this out. Right. Don't know if you can see it, guys. It's cheap. That's the star by Tropical Breeze. I don't know if they will forward it again, star. I'll probably have a big building now. Go over there for now, star. Work in progress. Over there, so used to be the shot gas station, bro. You go get a car sort out and thing, but you know, as time go by, bro, upgrade. It's a thing, you know, yo, when you do all that vlogging, bro, cause you can't drive and play no music, you know, copyright thing, yo. Real strict. So just see if you know go on and your thing bleak is still quiet there. A blessing there. You know, say it's always a blessing day, rainy day, sunny day, sad day, happy day, blessing day, aren't you? Your life charging. No joke. Lamborghini. My boy, I take a picture right away. Post on him Instagram. Fresh next to the Lambo, you mean, dog? Why not? That's what you feel for do. Do your thing. Yeah, right, bro. Jaja. People, them not give me a blind cross over here, so start. Them know I'm gonna get the little KFC. Jaja. I'm gonna say I smoke cigar. Not so much weed dispensary there around here, man. I smoke cigar, dog. Oh, boy. I didn't know you can do that. Yeah, better to say. The thing is normal. But that is it, bro. Things can be normal. Things, I feel look at hype more while, you know. That's how the things set. Things just, it's a balance. Put it away there, it's a balance. You have to have a time when things just calm, and the next time, bless it, respect. Next time I just hype this. You see somebody running light, you see a couple people start argue, you know. Then you have some peaceful people, so it's a balance. Alright, drive through settings. Alright. Hello. Let me have a chicken and waffles meal.
The two-piece chicken with the waffle?
Yeah, I need a combo. I need a soda. I need a Pepsi.
Huh?
Yeah, I need it with a Pepsi.
What's the side order?
Say that again?
What's the side order?
French fries.
And the chicken is the original, right?
Yeah.
Tomorrow.
Alright. Yeah, charge you. Right on our G. There's truckers everywhere. Real out here. PC Richards and Son. 1909, bro. Jaja. And someone want to do YouTube for 1 month and give up. Watch that. YouTube set up me video. Them a play. Hey, big up to One Colors Smith, you know. And big up to Colors TV, you hear? We out here do the thing.
You got the two-piece waffle?
Yeah. Hello. I got a Pepsi. Hello. I got a Pepsi too, you know. Yes.
No, your order don't come with a drink. You wanted with
No,
a
I
drink?
ordered it. You didn't.
I didn't charge you
All right.
one with a drink.
It's okay. All
I'm
right.
sorry, sir. You wanted a drink?
Yeah, this is the second time I order from you. You mess up my order. It's like.
You go in and give me the drink.
You get-
Mansfield.
Yeah, I wanted the drink.
What flavor drink?
Pepsi. Yo, boy, I better tell you. Yo. People slap up a like for me and subscribe to the channel. You know what, yeah? And that's when I say big up Color Smith TV, bro. We have to link up and do a collab.
He probably tell me I didn't hear, okay?
Alright, mommy, don't worry yourself.
Sorry.
Respect. Thank you so much. Yeah, so we got go for half an hour thing. Have a number one tap one. Alright, so now my I try to chase some paper right now. Whenever we get the channel monetized, people don't like and subscribe, please. We have 500 subscribers and I try to reach up there. Because I find out the bad man did I try to mash up my channel from what he and you know say I bless inside with that family. Oh, what's going on around here? That Music Avenue off the chair. Hard and they make it then just create something with them feet like create feel look so. Boy that van turn up over this dog.